how to buy the manor in
Here,
Anvil.
next to me.
Hello, good lady. You wouldn't happen to be in the market for a home, would you? If you are, I just happen to be selling a manor located right here in Anvil. Yes, I'm selling my grandfather's house, Beneris Manor. If you're interested, I could let you have it for a modest. I have to sell it soon, as I have once you buy. Well, that man, if you want to buy Excellent. Now, if you'll excuse me, I must attend to those pressing matters I spoke of earlier. Good day. Hey. How are you?
Now sleep in the manor. Use magic to kill the ghosts. Loot the note and hand. Return to the Count's arms. Talk to the innkeeper.
I'm Wilbur, owner and proprietor of the... As soon as you bought the place, he pretty much up and left. I hear tell he's making his way to the Imperial City. Bye.
Go to the Imperial City.
I'm
Get
surprised
him to
to
help
see
you
all
remove
the way
the
out here in
curse.
the Imperial City. So you think I'm responsible? I suppose you're right, as the manor used to belong to my grandfather, Lorgren Beneris. I knew there was a curse on that place, which is why I sold it to you so cheap. I suppose I should have warned you, but I had to get out of Anvil. My family said I could move here to the Imperial City once all our loose ends were tied down. The manor was one of those loose ends. I fear my own greed got the better of my judgment. I hope you weren't hurt badly in that horrible place. I suppose I assumed you'd be able to lift the curse and be done with it. Lorgren Beneris was a strange old man, always dabbling and experimenting with magic. He was mostly harmless, until the fateful day he came across a tome bearing the evil magic of necromancy. He became obsessed, and decided that by using necromancy, he could prolong his own life. The dark arts contained in the tome called for him to dig up the recently deceased in the nearby crypts under the cathedral. When it was discovered that he did this, the Mages Guild called for a quick meeting to decide what to do. It only took minutes to decide. Led by a young upstart named Carahil, the Mages Guild stormed Beneris Manor and slew Lorgren. However, amid the chaos, his body vanished. Because of this, the people of Anvil concluded the manor must be cursed. You are the first person to set foot inside in a long time. According to the diary entry, it seems that I'm the only one who can open the secret door in the manor, and I can't help feeling slightly guilty selling you the place under these circumstances. I'll meet you in Anvil at the Count's Arms. From there, we'll try to lift the curse together. I'll see you in Anvil.
Return to the Count's arms in Anvil. Wait for him to arrive.
Reading from it.
I was half expecting you not to show up. Are you ready to go to the Manor? Then let's get this over with. I don't relish the thought of spending too long inside of the Manor.
Meet him at the Manor.
Reading.
Kill the ghosts
Okay,
again
from here.
and go to the basement. He will open the door.
And I desire the chance to atone for my sins. The things I've done to the people of Anvil. Acts I've committed demand repentance. Garahil was justified in his actions. Slaying me was the only way to stop the madness. I have accepted that fate. Now, so I may make my final peace with the Nine. Please rejoin my hand to my body. Only then, when I am complete, will this eternal nightmare end. It never fails to
Kill the boss.
how easy mortal man is to manipulate. You've assisted me in completing the very thing Carahil and his cabal sought to prevent all those years ago. My ascension to immortality. Last time I clashed with mortals, I underestimated their power. I shall not repeat that mistake twice. I live again.
Return to the Count's arms.
I'm sorry for running away like that, but fear got the best of me. I'm glad you talked me into coming with you. Now that the curse has been lifted, I feel like I've taken care of my family's unfinished business. Excellent work, my friend. May the Manor give you many years of happiness. I'm now off to the Imperial City once more. Farewell.
Return to your new manor.
Good to see you.
Enjoy your new home.